Okay, we're going to look at some different views and different work styles in Icon Excavator. At the moment, just a machine and a blank canvas, so we need to bring in a model. So I'll go eyeball, high pad, tick. So that's this this pad of earth in front of me. Now if I was going to work on something like that, I'd probably want to see my tool view. So if I hit that button and say tool view, now we get the cross-section view and the long view. So now if I tap the model, it's telling me my tool point's outside the design, so I'll put it on it. As you can see, that's why I'd want to see my tool view so I can follow that batter all the way down. I'm not going to rework this, but I'll just show you what I mean, like that. Okay, so there's one view. I can configure this. If you think that's taking up too much of the screen, I can press and hold, say, do you know what, that page with the solid cut and fill, I only want to take up the tops, so I'll say none there and none there. Now I've taken that one up a bit. Again, you probably noticed some other views there. That's dual cut and fill, so that's either side of my bucket. So if you were working on some cross slopes, you can see how far off either side of the addition bucket is. There's a little difference there. Which leads me to the next type of working. So if, for example, we weren't working on a something with a slope like that, we were just doing some grading out. So let's change models. Let's turn the pad off. I'll go chippings 2. Right. Pick that. I've got an offset in this because I want to bring the chippings up for compaction, so I think my offset was 30mm.03. Yeah, that's it. So that's what my offset is to allow for compaction. But you could say to yourself, well, if I'm trimming a flat area, why do I need to see the machine? Why do I need to see the tool points? Just a big area, I just need to see the levels. So you could turn that off. You could have just the machine on its own, or you could go cut fill, bit of both, or you could go full screen cut fill. You could have some different information up here, like your angles or distance to a line, that sort of thing. Constant elevation above sea level, east-ins, north-ins, you name it. Or if you had a tilt rotator on, you could say I want dual cut fill. And then you split that screen to either side of your bucket. So even though things look flat, there might be a difference between one side of your bucket and the other. So that'd be handy if you had a grading beam or something like that on. Okay. Now the last one is let's turn cut fill off and turn some light bars on. So we've got a light bar for our depth there now. So that's guiding us down. There you go. And then you've got this other light bar, which is distance to a line. Now this is a TRM, so I haven't got any line work in there. But if I turn that off and turn on the original setting out, I've got plenty of lines there. We could just say we wanted to get a height and horizontal reference to that, which is this concrete pad over here. There's my horizontal, there's my depth. That's the edge of my pad. two types of beeps, one for the depth, one to tell me I'm online. Thanks for watching.